Today we're here at Mountain States, and what we're doing is we're with a team of linemen and foremen and GFs and superintendents and apprentices, and we're doing a live line distribution hot stick training class.
I think it's super important. We feel that it's very important to get our tools in these guys' hands at this stage so that they can get used to them and buy tools from us.
I truly do believe that hot sticking and live line tool work is one of the safest methods for performing the work. It keeps you outside minimum approach distances, which keeps your arc flashes away from the worker, which is the most important thing.
That's pretty important because it's going to broaden like our skills. We're not just going to be stuck only knowing how to glove. We'll be able to branch out and learn new techniques and new things.
We're offering Mountain States and Missouri Valley is offering a hot stick class for Hooper Electric, and I brought my trailer, my hot stick trailer in to assist with tools and just to give them some knowledge on the care and maintenance of hot sticks and how we take care of them.
Common mistake with PLP factory form wire ties is the use of the tie tube. So I'm here to make sure that they understand that it should be used and the best possible way to install that, whether it be by hand or by hot stick.
It's important to learn about hot sticking because you see a lot of utilities or even whole states that are strictly sticking states. They don't allow rubber gloving. Something that I learned today that I didn't know before was putting on armor on. I've always wondered how, and I figured it out. And yeah, good. I'd say my highlight of today was, you get to see ways of doing things from a bunch of different instructors that you may have not seen before that could help you in the field later on.
The future of this training, it's going to be evolving pretty quickly as we are looking at getting each location in Mountain States JATC their own hot stick trailer.
It's all about continuing education in this trade. The more you can learn, the better off you're going to be.